Hello, and welcome to the Interface Engine how-to videos. My name is Pedro Jimenez, and I will be your instructor in this series. This set of videos will cover the NextGen Connect, formerly Mirth Connect, integration engine. But first, I wish to thank the HCI Solution, creators of SyncSolve Automated Dictionary Management, for making this video series possible. SyncSolve virtually eliminates the pain and wasted time related with dictionary synchronization in Meditech. For more information, please visit thehcisolution.com or email info@thehcisolution.com. And now, without further ado, let's get started. In this lecture, we'll be looking at a NextGen Connect integration engine installation on a Windows 10 system in 3 easy steps. First, we will locate and download the NextGen Connect user manual, install the Java Runtime environment, and finally, the NextGen Connect engine itself. But first, we highly recommend that you review the Getting Started section of the NextGen Connect User's Manual. Here you can review the system requirements and highly detailed installation instructions. First, open your browser to www.nextgen.com. Then, from the Products and Services menu, select the Connect Integration Engine. Finally, you scroll down to the Learn NextGen Connect Integration Engine User's Guide, where you can begin the download of the PDF manual. Here you can review the system requirements and download installation sections. Now we can install the integration engine software components. NextGen Connect needs the Java Runtime environment in order to operate. So as a first step, we navigate to www.oracle.com. Select Java, then Java SE from the menu. Next, scroll down to the Java SE section of the page and click on the Java Platform Standard Edition link. Click on the Downloads tab, scroll down to the Version 8 section of the page, and click the Download button. This will bring up the JRE version 8 downloads page. The selection of version 8 as opposed to version 9 is intentional. Please scroll down to the Release 162 section of the page, click on the Accept License Agreement option button, and click on the desired file name. In our case, we choose the Windows 64-bit executable file since we are going to install this in a Windows 10 64-bit operating system. Right-click on the installer, choose Run as Administrator, and follow the instructions as directed. That's it. The installation of the Java Runtime environment is now complete. Now that we have completed the installation of the Java software components, we can now install the NextGen Connect engine. Open your internet browser and navigate to www.nextgen.com and select the Connect Integration Engine from the Products and Services menu. Scroll down to the Join Open Source Community box and click View Downloads, which opens the Downloads page. Then, select the version of the engine installer, which matches the Java Runtime environment presently installed on your computer, which in our case, we select the Windows 64-bit installer. Now we can run the installer by opening up the Downloads folder, right-clicking on the file, and select Run as Administrator. To begin the setup, we click on Next, Next again, Once the software installer has completed, you will notice two wonderful things happened. If you open your Task Manager, you will notice the Mirth Connect services listed under the Services tab with the status of running. And if you look at the lower right hand portion of your screen, in the task tray, you should see the Mirth Connect Server Manager icon present. Now let's finish the configuration of the engine. Go to your task tray and right-click on the Mirth Connect Server Manager icon. Select Launch Administrator. If you go to your NextGen Connect user manual, there will be a section describing the username and password that is used by default. This username and password combination is only present when you install the engine, and that username and password are both admin. Next, you will be required to enter your own customized user account information. You can optionally register your user account with NextGen. And now we'll click Finish. Congratulations! The NextGen Connect engine is now installed. If you look at the server log on the lower part of the screen, you will notice some activity. That is evidence that the engine is fully installed and functional. Now, before we go on and celebrate, I'm going to make a very quick note about some basic elements of the engine configuration. Right-click on the Mirth Connect Server Manager task tray icon and select Show Manager. You will notice 4 tabs. First, the Service tab has all the controls that you need to properly stop and start the engine. Let's click over to the Database tab. In here, you have a choice of which databases to utilize when you install Mirth. Notice that you got several database types. However, when you install Mirth, the default database is the Derby database. Now, NextGen strongly recommends that you do not use this database engine for production purposes. Therefore, we will be discussing an alternate database engine to use, such as MySQL or SQL Server, in a future lecture. Congratulations! You're now ready to build some interfaces, formerly known as channels, in the NextGen Connect integration engine. And as one final thought, I would like to thank the HCI Solution for making this video series possible. Please visit them at thehcisolution.com, where you can browse the Products and Services tab for all your interface engine and Meditech integration needs, including SyncSolve. This is Pedro Jimenez, and thank you for watching.